Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling an issue, fixing those annoying blank icons with a white background. We'll walk through 2 simple steps to get things back to normal, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Right-click on the start icon, then click on Run. In the Run dialog, type App Data and hit OK. If you don't see Local or Roaming, go to the View tab and ensure that Hidden Items is checked. Navigate to Local, then find Icon Cache, right-click and delete it. This clears out the icon cache and helps resolve the issue. Now, for the last step, right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Locate Window Explorer. Right-click and choose Restore. This refreshes the Explorer and applies the changes. And there you have it, 2 simple steps to fix those pesky blank icons. If this worked for you, please hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you encountered any issues. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials and tech tips. Until then, happy fixing!